I feel like God, I'm a Kage. Whoa, busting my ass and no off days. Whoa, me, I've been working, I grind from the ground, and now you see my drip is so Kage. Kage, no tell beat Kasame. Never had breaks, no off days. Bitch, my drip ho. Look, boy, I'm a legend, but bound my presence. Don't test me, I'm ready. My drip like Hokage. See you and I, we both had nothing in common. I move like Kakashi, I do shit to bro. Let's go. Young Shinobi from the unknown. Said I gotta show that I'm with it. I got gusto, not tell false. I kill them, we all cut throats. Had to put the work in, show them what the work is. Came up from the bottom, now I'm up though. Ayy, stuck up at the trenches, now I'm on my lit shit. Give me serious one punch, what the fuck, ayy? Pass up the race, gotta show them I'm playing when I amp up the stakes. High like a satellite, we can get us rapping right there. With the team, we can run up the fade. Sold out a young lame, I said one day flex with a team, they love what I say. And when I'm showing up, no one as cold as us, guarantee I'ma go fuck up the game. Kage, running from the bottom to the top place. Young little legend from the village, hit my way. Now they tryna copy like a catch, doing cosplay. Putting into work, got me feeling like Yahweh. Y'all waiting for the Messiah with the God play. Y'all better stop, y'all better watch. Came through flooded, come my drip, Hokage,